Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Zomato ads work. Zomato provides an incredible platform for restaurants to connect with millions of hungry customers every day. By using their advertising tools, your business gains significant visibility, encouraging more people to discover your delicious offerings. These ads are designed to help you stand out from the competition, promoting everything from daily specials to new menu items, ultimately boosting your orders and brand presence. It is a strategic way to grow your restaurant's reach. Zomato offers diverse advertising options to effectively showcase your restaurant. Sponsored listings are a popular choice, ensuring your establishment appears at the very top when users search for specific cuisines or locations. You can also utilize eye-catching banner advertisements that integrate seamlessly into the app's user experience. Additionally, dedicated promotional tiles allow you to highlight special discounts or new menu items directly to interested customers. Each format is designed to maximize your visibility and attract more diners. One of the most powerful aspects of Zomato advertising is its precise targeting capabilities. You can tailor your campaigns to reach specific customer segments based on several factors, including their current location, their past order history, and even their preferred cuisine types. Imagine reaching users who frequently order Italian food or those who typically spend above a certain amount, say, 500 rupees on their meals. This intelligent targeting minimizes wasted ad spend, ensuring your message resonates with genuinely interested individuals who are most likely to convert into paying customers. Creating and managing your advertising campaign on Zomato is designed to be user-friendly for all businesses. First, you define your daily or weekly budget, and then select the ad formats best suited for your goals. Next, you set your precise targeting parameters, ensuring your message reaches the right audience. The intuitive dashboard then allows you to monitor your campaign's progress in real time, giving you full control to make adjustments. You can easily pause, edit, or scale your campaigns up or down based on performance and evolving needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.